If you would like to respond, what's your reaction to today's hearing in court?
Well, good morning. This is actually just the beginning, and just like what happened in there, both parties actually have their representative, and I think we should allow the legal team to do their job.
Please, ma, can you respond to what happened yesterday?
What happened yesterday?
Yes, when the speaker was meant to have the taking over.
Sorry?
Which speaker?
When the speaker was meant to have
The removed speaker. Well, I think he's still a member of the House of Assembly, so he has every right to come. But invasion and breaking into my office, that is really a big one.
Do you also confirm the restoration of your security detail?
Well, as you can see, I have my people here with me, and God is with me.
Can you be specific, ma'am, about the status of your security details? That's your office represents.
Well, I have, I think, 3 or 4 policemen, whereas my normal convoy, my team, 12 policemen, 4 DSS, and 2 anti-bob. But as I have it this morning, I don't have that.
I understand you, Matt, to be saying that to be condemning, that the House is condemning the forceful invasion by the remote speaker. But ma, is the House going to take any proceedings, disciplinary? What can you tell us? What's the next move?
When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
Mr. Obasai yesterday in the sitting with about 3 or 4 lawmakers also said the House has been postponed sine die. What is your reaction to that?
Illegal.
I think to me that was just a show of shame, because in our job we have numbers that form quorum. So if you are sitting with 3 or 4 members, you're only doing theater.
So when is the House sitting next?
We'll announce it. Thank you.
Today? Is the House sitting today?
We'll let you know, but the House is not sitting today. Thank you. Àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ ilé aṣòfin àtàbájòkó àtúntò sí.
Can any of the lawmakers react to this representation?